Imagine you go to a shop to buy a school bag. But instead of giving money, you offer the shopkeeper a basket of apples. Would the shopkeeper accept them? Long ago, people bought and sold things exactly like this. This system was called the barter system. But why did people stop using it? Let's find out. Welcome to SST class. Here we will learn Carl 7th, chapter 11th from barter to money. Let's start. What is a barter system? The barter system is the oldest method of trade. The barter system is the exchange of goods or services without using money. For example, a farmer gives wheat to a tailor, and the tailor stitches a shirt in return. Barter is exchanging goods without money. Problems of the barter system. The barter system had many difficulties. The biggest problem was the double coincidence of wants. Let's understand it with an example. Ravi has rice and wants shoes. Mohan has shoes but wants milk instead of rice. So, no exchange can happen. This is called double coincidence of wants. Both people had to want exactly what the other person had. If they didn't, no trade was possible. Second problem of barter system was difficult to divide goods. Some goods cannot be divided. For example, if a cow costs 2 bags of wheat, can you cut the cow into 2 pieces to buy 1 bag of wheat? No. Cow can't be divided. Third problem of barter system was no fixed value. There was no fixed value for goods. For example, how many mangoes equal to 1 goat? How much rice equal to 1 chair? People often disagreed about how much one item was worth compared to another. Next problem was difficult to store wealth. Many goods spoiled after some time. For example, fruits, vegetables and milk cannot be stored for a long time. This made it difficult to save wealth for the future. Why was money introduced? To solve these barter problems, people started using money. Money made buying and selling much easier. Journey of money. Money changed over time. People first used shells and other valuable items. Later came metal coins, then paper currency. In India, the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, issues currency notes, except the 1 rupee note. And today we even use digital payments like UPI. Debit cards, credit cards, net banking, mobile wallets through mobile phones. Functions of money. Money performs 4 important functions. First is medium of exchange. We use money to buy and sell goods. For example, buying a school bag for 500 rupees. Second function is measure of value. Money tells us the price of things. For example, pen cost is rupees 10. Notebook cost is rupees 50. Third is store of value. Money can be saved for future use. Fourth function of money is standard of deferred payment. Loans and EMIs can be paid later using money. Now quick quiz. Which problem of the barter system required both people to want each other's goods? Pause the video and answer now. Let's quickly revise the chapter. In the barter system, people exchanged goods without using money. However, it had many problems, such as double coincidence of wants, no common value, difficulty in dividing goods, and difficulty in storing goods. To solve these problems, money was introduced. Today, we use coins, paper notes, and digital payments, making buying and selling easy. Easy trick to remember the chapter. Firstly, barter system of trade came. After problem of barter system. Then money came into forms of coins. Then notes, now we are also using digital payments. Now you know how trade changed from barter to money and how money made life much easier. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fast Learning Hub. See you in the next chapter.